roller coaster up there. There's a waterfall down there. We must be at Adventure Park in Cultus Lake. But what we're doing is we're playing the Giggle Ridge mini golf course. And now we're at hole number 14. Ma is beating me by 2 holes. If you've been watching this, if you haven't, check those. But look at this hole. You have 2 ways of shooting it. You can go this way, up here, and around, and then down to the hole. Or, if you don't make it all the way up, you get down into this thing and throw it out here. Or you can go this way, up into the chute, and try to get a hole in one. If not, you go down that chute, and you end up over here before the hole. So, we're gonna place this right here, and you can watch where our balls go. Go ahead, Ma. Up. She's headed in that direction. See what happens, folks. Oh, she's in the chute. Oh, shoot. Come on back.
Come on back.
Oh. Unbelievable.
I'm tapping in.
Oh, you're tapping in?
Yep.
Well, let's do this.
All right. There's your challenge.
Okay, here we go.
All right, you're coming down the other way. Ready? Come on, ball. Back this way.
Oh no, it's a long 2.
Come on, you can do it.
To tie the hole. Oh, I need to win holes, not tie them. Oh, wins another hole. She's ahead 3 holes. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, it's getting worse and worse for me. But we're gonna have hole 15 soon. Stay tuned for that one. I'm gonna win one. I will win one. Stay tuned. I thought I saw a bird go by.